Okay, continuing on, I want to see these obstructions gone. No obstructions can be on the fire escape, but everything, these connections look pretty good. Again, you can restore them and replace these bolts, clean out any internal rust, but I don't see anything going internal. It's mostly surface rust, and I mean, it could be ready for a paint job, but I don't think it's absolutely necessary at this time. And all the connections back to the building are in good shape, good order. On the sides in good order. New connections. Again, I'm going to ask that the ladder be serviced. There is a chain, so the connection to the outside looks good. So everything looks pretty good on this. I'm going to pass it pending service of the ladder and pending a load test. Fire Escape Engineers. This is Alan Toll. If you have any questions, 866-649-0333.